In other news, the Philippine National Police Anti-Illegal Drugs Group is appealing to those who have information and evidence against Lovely Adam Impal, the alleged drug supplier of Kerwin Espinosa, to come forward. Joanna will tell us why.
The Philippine National Police Anti-Illegal Drugs Group is calling on the public to coordinate with them if they have any information or evidence that would strengthen the filing of cases against Lovely Adam Impal. Impal is the alleged drug supplier of confessed drug lord Kerwin Espinosa. It was on December 5, 2016 when Lovely surrendered voluntarily to PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa after Kerwin Espinosa identified her during the Senate hearing on Albuera Leyte Mayor Espinosa slay. According to PNP AIDG Director Police Chief Superintendent Albert Ferro, they still do not have concrete evidences that will strengthen the filing of cases versus Impal on her alleged involvement in illegal drug trade in the country. The AIDG have freed Impal since the PNP have not issued a warrant against her. As of now, she is staying in a secured place along with her family.
Unfortunately, wala po kasi siyang warrant of arrest at wala po siyang any case that was filed against her. So, wala po tayong authority or legal basis para siya i-detain.
Ferro says Impal also asked them for security due to possible threats in her life.
Naghingi ng security para hindi siya mapahamak. Yung mga request niya po, ayaw niya ma-interview, ayaw niya ma-expose sa media kasi alam niyo naman po baka may mangyayari sa kanya.
The AIDG also explained that the local police unit in charge in areas where Impal operated illegal drugs have the jurisdiction to conduct an investigation. The PNP refused to identify the place where Impal is staying now, even the personality she mentioned in her affidavit that are involved in illegal drug trade in the country. Despite there is no criminal case filed yet, the PNP is not setting aside the possibility that Lovely is one of the high-value drug personality that police is looking into.
Sumuko kay PNP Chief Director General Ronald Bato de la Rosa sa Campo Crame ang isang pinaghihinalaang big-time drug supplier na ikinaranta ni Central Visayas top drug lord Kerwin Espinosa sa Senate hearing. Ayon kay de la Rosa, nasa kustodiya ng PNP Anti-Illegal Drugs Group si Lovely Adam Impal para maimbestigahan, ma-interview at matignan kung may iba pang pending warrant of arrest laban sa kanya. Magugunitang si Impal ang itinuro ng nakababatang Espinosa na pinagkukuhanan niya ng supply ng droga.
Dahil nga ongoing pa yung may mga revelation na lumalabas habang merong nakukuha ng statement. Now, just like this morning, nag-surrender sa akin si Lovely Impal Adam, yung in-incriminate ni Kerwin. Meron naman siya mga additional information na sinasabi. But sa ngayon, Your Honor, kinukonsider namin yung nasa loob ng bilibid ang malalaki. Kasama na dyan yung si Peter Lim ng Cebu na sinasabi mo na hindi inahabol, pat hindi po namin pwede sasabihin lahat ng detalye ng aming mga operations against the subjects, Your Honor.
Sa inisyal daw na pakikipag-usap ni De La Rosa kay Impal, tila half-trust o kalahati sa mga pahayag ni Impal ay pawang katotohanan. Paliwanag ni General Bato, ito ay upang mailigtas o malinis ni Impal ang kanyang sarili. Sa ngayon, wala pang ibang impormasyon ang nauugnay kay Impal maliban sa pagkakadawit sa kanya ni Kerwin sa illegal drug trade. At dahil din daw wala pang hinahaharap na kaso si Impal, ay malaya siyang makakauwi matapos ang ginawang investigasyon ng AIDG. Si Impal ay kasama din sa watch list ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency o PDEA. Nilinaw naman ngayon ni General De La Rosa na voluntaryong sumuko sa mga otoridad si Impal.